Forgotten username recovery failed on Truebill Plus Fix. If you've been struggling to recover your Truebill Plus username, you're not alone. Most people get this wrong because Truebill Plus now uses your registered email or phone number instead of a traditional username. Trying to guess usernames rarely works and just wastes time. Here's how to fix it. Step 1. Open the Truebill Plus app or website and tap Forgot Username. Enter the email or phone number linked to your account. This allows Truebill Plus to verify your identity securely. Step 2. If you no longer have access to your email or phone, you'll need to verify your identity. Have your full name, date of birth, and account-specific information ready. Truebill Plus uses this to ensure only the rightful account owner can regain access. Step 3. Follow the prompts to reset your password once verification is complete. Check your spam or junk folder if the recovery email doesn't arrive immediately. Step 4. If recovery still fails, contact Truebill Plus support directly. Explain that username recovery attempts have failed and provide the requested details. Their team will guide you through the process safely and efficiently. The surprising truth is that losing your username does not lock you out forever. Truebill Plus switched to email and phone-based login to make access simpler and more secure. By following these steps, you'll regain access quickly. Focus on your registered email or phone, verify your identity as needed, and you'll be back managing your Truebill Plus account without hassle.